Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Okay, voice is coming. It's nice. Let's see if it's doing or not. Okay, so we are ready. So, hello everyone. Today is my day 20 of my C++ DSA journey. In today's stream, we will be revisiting some problems that we have solved previously, and after that, we will be try to solve new problems. Okay. Just first, let me add the link to the Discord so that if anyone is, online, they can join the stream. Just wait a minute. Uh, 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 okay. Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. Okay. So we are set to go now. And today I started a little bit late because I was doing some works. I will show you in the stream that what I was doing. And something has also something has changed, like the project series that I was going to start, and it will start, but there are some change. There will be some changes in that. Like after doing some research and searching for some things, I found some things that are not correct. So we will be starting the project, but the project will be something different and unique. Okay, like I'll tell you when in between the stream when viewers if viewers will join, then I will also start telling at that point. So viewers will also get to know that okay, this is this, and the person is going to do that, and yeah, the creator is going to do that, and yeah, because right now the stream has just started, and I don't know when viewers will come, then I think I will discuss that. And if okay, and if by chance no one comes on stream, then we will also tell about the things. So first of all, what I show you, I will just start revisiting the problems. Okay, first of all, I will be doing this. In between, when someone comes, I will be showing this profile. Like I've created this profile where every platform, okay, where every platform that we have, solved problem on will be shown here, like all the problems that we have done till now, including all the platforms here. Like it's this website's name is Codolio, and I've just just done a simple setup of this. The setup isn't even completed yet. We will try to try these new things in that also in this Codolio website, and I have seen that there is some problems section here somewhere where we have given like so many type of DSA questions list, collection list, where we can solve DSA problems in a set in a sequenced manner, and We will check that first. Okay. And this is something that I will tell when a new viewer will come. Then I will tell that what I was doing today. That's because of that I was, the stream started a little bit late. But what we'll be doing in the stream, we will be first revisit some problems. After that, we will try a new problem. Okay. And if time will allow, we'll see what will happen. We will go with the flow. And here you can see the rating has increased a little bit. Like after solving those two problems, it has gone around. Okay, I think I have surpassed around 1 lakh people again, and it has came near to around 35 lakhs 41,016. And let me check. Hello. Okay, it's working. It's working. Okay, it's working. Okay. Okay, fine. Voice is coming, and now, now we will start the first revisit of today. And there is also one thing, like the new problems that we have done yesterday. We will be revisiting those, and yeah, there is another thing also, like the first new problem that I have done yesterday was on LeetCode. Like this was the name of the problem. And after that, the second new problem that we have done was on this platform named as Geeksforgeeks. Okay, let me open my profile and okay, I think here we can see this. The interface of the app, or what we can say, the web app is a little bit, you know, a little bit confusing. Leaderboard, yeah, we can go here. I think this is the right place. Yeah, you can see I've solved this problem, and we will be revisiting this problem again. And yeah, and the third problem that I have done yesterday was on again on LeetCode. Like the name of that was this, and we will be revisiting this problem. Okay. So first problem was on LeetCode, second was on Geeks, and third one was again on LeetCode. I was just, exploring the problems, like where sorting is needed and pointers is needed. So it became like a cluster of problems that we picked yesterday. Like you can assume that these are these problems, like these two, and this is from a same family, like in which sorting is required, and yeah, pointers will be used in that, and some conditions will be used. Just we have to change the names or change something in the change this just made make little changes in the code. Okay, so first I think I should start with revisiting this problem, that sort color. First we will revisit this. After that we will be revisiting the second problem that will be on Geeksforgeeks. Okay, so I think we should not jump on to revisit this problem. After that we'll see what. Okay, so this was the problem. First I will explain the problem to you. After that we will try to rewrite the code again by self, like checking that if the logic is still in our mind and or not. Okay. So I think that, okay, so the problem is named as sort colors. Okay, and inside this I have listened that this is based on Dutch national flag algorithm. The name of the algorithm is, I think, a little bit not sounds like a technical term, but it is like when we were doing this problem. I think here Then the name of the problem was around. Okay, it's not here. I think I have. Okay, it is here. Yeah. See, Dutch national flag algorithm with 3 pointers. Okay. Go check my website. Hello, brother. Welcome to the stream, man. Go check my website. Okay. So, what is the website is about? Like, are you have you came like for the first time on the stream, or are you in the Discord server? I don't know you. Like, you are a new viewer or what? Have you found me for the first time? So, is this okay? Okay. Is this your like project or something? Okay. Is this your project or something? Just tell me that. After that, we can try to visit your profile. Okay, so you have created a type of web app, right? Like, should I open it on the live or what? Should I open it on my screen or what? You want to? I start my company website with vibe coded website. Okay, so you are a student, right? You are in college, and you have built this. Yes, open and check and rate it. Okay, okay, we'll do that. So you are a new viewer, right? So and there's one thing also. First, can you tell me like, are you in college or what? So that the according to that, I will be able to rate your website or the thing that you're saying. If you can like give a brief introduction of yourself, like you are in college. Okay. First we will try to visit your what visit your company website that you have told like with that you have done with vibe coded, like created with vibe coding, and after that I will be telling you something. Okay. So, and in between, you can tell me like what things what are your thoughts coming in your mind? Because I'm reading the comments in my mobile phone also. So let me just write the name of the website. Okay, I think I can copy. Yeah, I think copying is allowed. Okay, so you have created this using vibe coding. The first when we enter the website for the first time, like when we get like open the what we said that main page hero section. Okay, this is the hero section, right? And I think some things about like this is called header, like, and this is hero section that we call like which we open on the website. Okay, so like you have coded the whole website by using vibe coding, like, or you have done the styling or some things by yourself. Like it is 100% vibe coded, or some things you have added manually, like using HTML or CSS. What we build services to design to scale full spectrum technology. Okay. Okay. So is this a like a project or what? Or are you like building a something type of project or something? You know the color thing that you have used is like very eye catching. You know, it's very eye catching, man. And the thing that the animations that you have used behind, like when we have you know, when we hover behind this text or other things, like these things are moving, it's looking very cool, man. You have done, I think, amazing job in creating this. Like vibe coding also needs prompts, so I think you have done a good job. So how much time did it took to build this? How much time you have given this? This is called okay. Wish stands apart. Okay. I want to build a startup here. We teach people about AI, how to use AI to be productive person. Okay, just 1 hour you have created this, yeah, in 1 hour. Okay, so why coding is that fast? So you will be fixing the bugs or issues after like you have done this. Will you be fixing the bugs and other things after this? Like because vibe coding has some issues like security issues or some things that they like the market they don't check it like the AI models. I've seen that there comes a security risks with that when we do vibe coding and other things. Okay, you have also posted. Okay, it redirects this to the GitHub. Okay. I've given the GitHub link. Okay, as it is redirecting there, and so you are basically trying to tell like launch a startup or type of business where you will have some members or like yeah, and they will like provide these type of services, right? You are trying to build a business and you will have a team of people who will like provide these kind of services to a specific client or a startup or like right, like is this only for the should we consider it as only a project or what, or are you going to like give time in this and you are really building a startup? Okay, yes, we fix some issues, mostly security issues after it the website is actually built in 15-minute max. Time goes in fix bug issues, developing and testing it. Okay. So you guys have just like saved time, like so that after that you guys will reviewing the code or the things and you guys will fix it. Just you have like build the structure of the website, like how the website will look in a fast manner, and you will fix the issues right after that, and maybe make some changes like refactor the things or get in touch. It kind of look like the Kanban, Kanban board or something. Like the interface kind of look like that, but it's bit different from that. And okay, here you are given this. Okay, this work. Okay, this is fast. Okay, you have given your phone number, man. I just mistakenly shown that on the stream. Get you. Okay, can is the backend also connected to this, like, or just it will take, or is it just the front end of the website and the things just uh, okay, backend is connected. That nice. So this was all right. This was all the things that we I have checked. Is there anything? Okay, you have created this also. So, are there more people in your the thing that you're telling, like we are building a startup, or are you doing it like alone for now? Okay, you know the UI looks cool and it's easy to explore the website. Like, just I think there will be some fixes needed. Like, and I think you will be able to do that. Just there will be some finishing touches that may be needed, but it's looking good. As you've told that it took only around 1 hour to do that. I think if you will put around maybe give it some time, then it will go on to another level. Would you like to join us? But where, man? Like, we have people. Okay, we have 10 people, and we are finding more. Okay, so you are basically in college, and you have created a team of people like who are going to start doing a startup and start a startup, and everyone is doing their job, like someone is handling the back end or someone is working on something, and someone is like preparing the scripts or some things, like someone is just designing this section of the website like this, and because of that it took around 1 hour to do all that, right? But you guys haven't fully launched it, right? Like it's just a okay, but the website isn't like fully launched yet, right? Like it's in just it isn't just abhi launched yet, right? Or have you already like done all the things and just you are going to start the things and you are like taking review from other people and like what's this and tell me how it's looking and anything that you are talking about, like if I should, okay, if I like to join your team, then you have to you will have to like tell me like what the things like you are working on, like give a detailed description of like what the things are going on. because how a person will be able to like join your team, or how they will know like what the thing they are like going to join. Is it a company, or is it a startup, or it's just in a building phase, or it's still just an idea, and just you know, interface is built like this, like just you have created UI, and yeah, backend and front end is completed, like in a raw manner, we can say. And you have also you purchase the domain, like here it is showing that .app. Like, are you serious about it or what? I wanna know that, and I think you are getting my point. What I'm trying to say, because you know, we want to create a community where people can share their knowledge. Okay, help each other. Yeah. I'm also trying to do that. Like I've created this, you know, Discord server where people can join. Like you can also join and share your updates. Like what are you doing on a daily basis, and share what are you doing. And you know the website they shared, you can also share it on the Discord server, and the people can review it, and you know can give a review on what you have done, what you have created. Like you have created a good project, man. Sorry that what I will say about this. But you have created a good thing. Like even if you are using vibe coding, like it only took around 1 hour. That's very good. Like it doesn't feel like a beginner is doing this or something. Mm, but is this like a type of startup or what? Like I want to know about that. To check our Discord server. Okay. But then, like, why you have built this? Like, are you going to like really make it a startup or something? I want to know about that, man. Like you said, you have a team of 10 people, and you said that should I join? Like, can I join this? I will open a Discord. Okay, it's a startup. There are 5 members right now. If I accept the invite, okay, here's the information given. From this. Okay, okay. So I trying to build a community also, and beside that, you are doing it as a startup, like starting a type of startup, and the other members of the Discord can also join. That's why you have created Discord or other servers where people can get in contact with you, and if someone is interested, then they can join your startup, right? And yeah, and in the Discord, like you have given announcements and other things. Okay, it's something interesting. Like it kind of gives a vibe to the thing. For now, join your Discord. You can also join my Discord server, and you can share what I are doing on a daily basis. Like I think you are also doing that, so you can join there and share your things, so that I will be, yeah. Okay, let me just paste the link. Like in my Discord server, the purpose is something different. Uh, like not like yours, like on that level, but it's something like you can share a daily progress, or you will be ranked according to that. I will be soon adding a bot into that. Okay, which will show like how much contributions have you done according to what you have shared. Like if you have shared a part of a project, then the level will increase according to that, or a level, you know, like in a level there contains some XP, then according to that, that will increase. You can even share a part of your project, like if you have like created a this section in a day, then you can share that, and based on that we will be reviewing that, and yeah, and level of viewers will be increased, and you will be, the hierarchy of people will be set according to that. And yeah, I am from Uttar Pradesh, you know. And by the way, are you in like your third year or second year of your college, or you are just a fresher? I'm in last year of college, okay. But beside vibe coding, you also have some skills, right? Like some technical skills, like front end or back end, as you told that you are interested in these type of things, and vibe coding also. Like you are also the part of the team. I think you are the founder of this website, right? Like this Vishnu Technologies, you are the founder of that, and you are also in last year of your college. So yes, that's reflected on my product section. Product section. Okay, so you are talking about this, like these technologies, right? But the level of depth is different in all of these. Okay, okay, and this is not right. So, so you can tell me like in the comment chat, like, and sorry for the that type of interaction, like because I'm also trying to improve my communication skills. Just the words are not coming in my mind, you know, little bit of side. Okay, okay. So if you want have to conclude like the skills, what you will say? You are a full stack developer or something that. So you are a type of a full stack developer, or you have experience in a different field or something. I'm okay. You are an app developer. Oh, that's something nice, man. So because of why you like build this thing and connected backend and frontend also, and use Flutter to create a web app type thing, and yeah, it's looking like a web app. Just some features are needed to come, right? I think if we like sit and like start talking about that the thing that you're building or something, I think it will take more time. It will take a lot of time, I think, and you are in last year and this okay. So as you said that, can I join the okay? Would I like to join your team? But right now I am doing DSA streams, doing DSA streams from the past 19 days now. This is the day 20 of my stream, and yeah, soon I will be starting my CSS project series where I will be building building a project from scratch. Okay, and I will not be, and because of that, I think that the time is very limited for me in a day on a daily basis. The time will be limited. So, as you said that would I like to join your team, or like what I have to do there, like because if I told you about my skills, then it's not that much I know about the things. Like I was in these type of things when I was in 10th class about 2023 and 24 in between that. Then I tried you know social media marketing agency, but after that I left it. And yeah, okay. You will explain me in Discord, like you are going to send me a DM or something. But before that, I want to tell you that right now what I am doing, I am just, I have started doing DSA problems on LeetCode, and yeah, and in the side, in the other side, like as a secondary thing, this is the core thing. Okay, like the DSA things are the core of the skills that I'm building, and as a secondary thing, I am building skills in web development and other things. Till now, I have finished HTML and currently on finishing CSS, and soon I will start a live project series of HTML plus CSS, and that project will be a major part of my development journey. And can you guess like if I am like in what year I am in my college? Like, what do you think about me? Am I looking like I'm in second year or third year? What do you think about me? I was just looking at my face and you know. Uh, like the question is that I am asking to you, like, what do you think about me? Am I okay? I think first year. No, man, I am not in first year yet. I will join. My college will start in the month of August. Right now, I'm just 12 pass out, you can say, and yeah, college will start in August. Many people are guessing it like a little wrong. Like some people were saying I'm in second year or third year. That's some I don't know why. And one thing, and there is one request. If you can do this, like if you can go and subscribe to my channel, then it will be a great help, and it will boost my motivation to come again on the live streams and do these type of things, like having interactions with you, like by subscribing. When I will be live again or like creating new videos, then you will get the notification section in your home feed or notification section. Then you can join in again and like have interactions like this with me, or you can watch me like solving problems or explaining things. So you can consider subscribing. Okay, thanks brother, thanks for it. And you can also join the Discord so that you can share your daily progress there, and converse with all other people there also. And yeah, I'm also trying to build a community where every people help each other grow together. Okay. And I think in your Discord server, as a as far as I'm seeing, there are a college mates of your college that are in your Discord server, right? Like you have created a so many channels in that and so many categories. Wish. There are college mates in your Discord server, right? Okay, you are. Bro, I'm waiting for you in general section. Okay, so is this a like audio channel? Should I have to join that? I want to talk with you. Uh, it will be a little difficult for me to, right now I can't talk because I'm, currently I have to finish the stream and yeah, do some revisits and try new problems. So because of that, I can't join right now. Maybe I will, you can, ping me on DM and send me like, tell me what, what you are, okay. Thanks for that. I was thinking that you're talking about the text channel that you have created. So you will be sending messages there in the general section. And yeah, thank you for joining the stream, man. Like, okay, we will connect soon on voice chat. Yeah, we can do that. Have a nice night. Okay, and yeah, you also make sure to, you know, join my Discord server and share what you are doing. So other people will also get the motivation to do something on a daily basis. Like, how people think nowadays, and nowadays, like things have uh, changed so much. So that's why when you be sharing that, other people will also get the motivation from you by seeing your projects, that the things that you are doing on a level. I have shared the Discord link there again, and yeah, like what the thing you are building. Like I think that you will be working on this on a daily basis, and yeah, maybe on the back end that we can't see. So you can share that also. Okay, and yeah. I think I have reviewed your profile in a raw way because I'm just new in these type of things. Share link in support section on your Discord. Okay, okay. Just let me pick the link and share it. Support. Okay, I've shared you the link and yeah. Okay. Hello, buddy. Hello. So, hmm, do you want to tell something else, or should I continue? Like I was just starting revisit of this problem and explaining the problem statement to the viewers that are watching right now. Like, do you want to tell something or ask something from me? Because I have started the stream a little late today. Okay, thanks, man. Like, yeah, today I was like designing this thumbnail for the upcoming project, like which I will be the project series. That's why I was a little bit late today. So sorry for like stopping in between because I have to finish this in the given time, and yeah, time is a little bit limited today. We can have interactions maybe yesterday on live, or maybe in the Discord. You can come there and also here. And thanks again for coming, man. And can you tell me your name? Like, what's your name, man? I forgot to ask that. That it will be easier to identify you by your name. Okay, your name is Vishwajit. So, are you and where are you from, man? You are from India, or like you are outside of India? Okay, you are from Maharashtra. Are you from Nagpur? Okay, okay. So what should I do now? Should I like continue the stream, or like you once okay, you have already told that I can do my work. So thanks for joining, man. And now I think I should continue doing the stream. Is it okay? And yeah, you can share the update like what you have done today in the today's. Uh, okay, thanks, man. Thanks for coming to the stream, bro. We will, so, in some time when you will like make some updates in the uh, website that you have created, then we can try to revisit this, and yeah, we check what updates you have implemented in the website that you have created, and how much uh, how much the things have changed in the amount of time. Like today's today's I think 2nd of July, yeah, 2nd of July, and yeah, okay. And you can share, website link in the Discord server of mine also, so that people from there can also view that right now. And you can tell about yourself, and maybe someone will give review because my Discord server is currently just I have created it I like 4 or 5 days ago. So maybe uh, Maybe reviews can be less for now, but you can share there, and yeah, we will get to know that someone has joined the Discord who is doing this, and have reached on this level and have a team of people. Okay, maybe someone get the idea of the things you are doing, or maybe someone because the Discord server is just pressed for now. And yeah, your website, I would say the font that you used, and one thing I would suggest that the hero section like this, you can like add some spacing in between the elements, like the like these sections, and make it like shift it like here, or shift it maybe here, and like just adjust some positioning of this header so that it looks more good. I think you can do this. For now, the suggestion of mine will be this. Okay, you can try to fix it a little, but the font you have used is very amazing, and the color theme that you have chosen is very good, man. It's looking very eye-catching, and I don't have words to say about this because right now in my vocabulary, the words are not coming because I have just started improving my communication skills. That's why. But after seeing your this thing like this and this, like it's showing that you have used created the backend. Okay, thanks for that. I think we have done a lot of talking for now, and you are also in college, so yeah. Okay, thanks for coming, man. Again, I think I've said this like 4 or 5 times today. So now I think we should start doing the revisit of this problem. That's name is sort colors. Given an array nums with, okay, there is an array given named as nums with n number of objects, okay, colored red, white, or blue. We have to sort them in place so that objects of the same color are adjacent with the colors in the order red, white, and blue. Okay. So what does sort the in place mean? Sort in place means we don't have to create another array like vector array like this. We have to make changes in place in the original array, and we have to solve this problem without using any library function like sort big and sort, like that. And here is an example given, like in this, the values are 0, 1, and 2, just they are placed in a unordered manner. Like we have to, okay, we have to get all the values in this manner, like all the red will come at the front and all the white will come at the middle, okay, middle area, and all the blues will blue is initialized with 2, like blue has the value of 2, so blue will come at the end of the array. Okay, so at the left side of the array there will be red values represented as zeros, and in the middle there will be values 1, and they will be marked with the value 1, and the blues the values the value 2 is marked with the marked as blue, so it will come at the end of the array. Okay, saying something. I appreciate you, as you said you recently completed your 12th and you doing these things. Okay, thanks man, thanks for saying that. No, I'm just not. I will say I'm not just recently completed it. Like due to some financial constraints, I have completed my 12th in like finished giving the exams around October of 2025, and the results came around 2026. I think I will say that the results came around this year, January month. Okay. Okay, so we were there, we were discussing this. So, you know, uh, the value of red will come at the front, the value of white color will come in the middle, and the value of blues will go at the end, like end of the array. Okay, and here in this also you can see the order will be like this. So for that we have used these conditions. First I will remove these conditions. After that I will be trying to write this all. Okay, and then we will explain this further, like what's happening in the code or the things. Okay, I think I have to remove this from this side, like till here. Okay, so first what we have to do in this, first we have to create three pointers that will show like the value 0 where it is placed, and this one like it is marked with white and it is marked with 2. Okay, and there is one thing also, the namings can be a little bit confusing, so just stay calm. I will be explaining this in a good way. So we will name okay, we will name red as 0. Okay, like we will name the first variable as low because it is at the lower side of the array, and we will name the second variable as mid, and it will start from the 0th index again. Okay, like I'm just using pointers here, like this will be a static pointer and this will be a moving pointer. Okay, and after that we will creating that last variable, that's name will be okay, sorry, that will start from the very last index. Okay, because it will be the most higher value, like the higher value in all of these is 2, which is representing blue. Okay, and after that what we have to do, we will use a while condition, like while mid is less than or equals to high. Okay, we will use this condition, and yeah, low, the pointer low is not moving, like in this while loop. Okay, we are just saying that and when while mid is less than equals to high. After that we will be using some conditions, like first we will add a condition if nums mid is equals to, okay, if this is equals to what, okay, let me see what we are going to write. If nums mid is equals to, suppose it is 0, okay, then what we will do, if it's 0, okay, then it will be the lower value. Then what we will do, we will swap it with the value of, swap the nums mid value, index value. Okay, nums mid index value with the, we will swap it with the nums low index value, like here. Okay, and after that what we will do, we will, okay, we will not increment the mid index, uh, yeah, we will not increment the mid index, and we will just increment the lower side, because the value 0 as assigned in the lower side of the array as the color red, so it will come at the front of the array here. And we are not incrementing mid because mid there are no values, like we have not given any values in the mid yet. So yeah, and in the then I will use if another condition, that else if nums mid, okay, if it's equals to 2, then what we have to do, then we have to swap the values of high with mid. Okay, hi brother, I'm your new subscriber. Can I know a little about you, like where you're from, what you do, and how you got started with this channel? First of all, welcome to the stream, man. And have you came for the first time? Like, Oh man, the person just unsubscribed from the channel, which came on the channel. Like his name was Vishwajit. I don't know why people do these type of things, but leave that. We will focus on him. Hello, Krish, and have you came for the first time on the channel, like, or have we have any interaction before? And right now, let me just, can you give me just 2 minutes? I was just writing the code of this problem and just doing the dry run explanation for it. After that, we can continue talking. If you can just wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, thanks for that. And yeah, so here we were doing like if its value is nums mid value is 2, okay, then n2 is assigned as higher. Like in the end, what we will do, we will swap the value of nums mid, okay, with nums high, okay, here. So that the value when it will be equals to 2, then it will be swapped with high. And here high minus minus because it is starting from the last index, so it will start filling values from the last index, like the value 2 will start filling from the last index. After that, what we have to do in the else condition where this both are not true, like okay, let me see, low plus plus, and this, yeah, in the case if these all two are not true, then what we will do, we will do mid plus plus. All right, let me just check because I think I have just changed the positioning of the code, and we don't have to return anything because we are just doing in place sorting, and the function type is void. Let me just check if it's working or not, or it's something wrong. Okay, it is passing a test case too. Just in this case, the value zeros are not coming at the front. Okay. Okay. I think the logic is a little bit off. Let me just fix that. 1 and 2 are coming at the right place. Just zeros are not handling. It is not handling 0. If else if mid plus plus. Okay, I think there will be. Let me just see the take a little glance at that code. I think because there is something missing. Just I will take a little glance and then see where the logic is a little bit off. Okay, this is right. This is right. Okay, yeah. Because mid is assigned the value of 1, so we have to first do that. If it's equals to 1, then yeah, just mid plus plus, and here we will swap the values of 5 with it. In that case, if it's this, okay, I was thinking about the positioning of the things, and here what we will do, we will just increase the index of nums mid value when it is equals to 1, and in that case, like when it will not be equals to 0 or when it will not be equals to 1, so that's obvious that it will be equals to 2 in this case. So we will swap in that case mid high with mid high with nums mid value with nums high value, and high index will decrease, and mid will not mid will not increase in this, right? If I show you again, yeah, see here mid is not increasing because we are just swapping the values, and that's how this thing is working. So the positioning of conditions is also a case where the conditions, what condition will come first, after that what condition will come after that. This is just waiting, I think. Network error. There is some network issues coming. Let's see what's happening. LeetCode is behaving a little bit weird today. Okay, it's again passing the test case. I think there is just something is just off in the code. We will see. Okay, okay, in this case we have, in this case also we have to do mid plus plus, as it's saying mid plus plus in this. Why? Because okay, we have set the values of both, and so that new value can come in that, and mid's index should like go forward. Okay, the logic was lacking at that point. So for now, what I will do, like we have just revisited the problem. So first I will submit it. After that, I will be just giving it a little dry run. Then I will come back to the chat. Okay, like because the viewer is waiting for me. It is marked as visited. So here I have created three pointers showing that int low is start at the starting point, and it mid is also start at the starting point, and it will be a static pointer, and these two pointers are moving. Okay, and low is also moving. Just in this case, like when is it's equals to 0, then low's index will increase, and here mid is like these are the indices of it. Okay, first index, second, first like we are starting at the first two values with the first index and the last value with the last index. Okay, like the last index. And while mid is less than equals to high, okay, then what we have to do? Like it will run till mid is less than or equals to high. When it will be more than or more than high, then the loop will fail, and it will not run further. So inside this, what we are doing, we are writing these three conditions. Like if nums mid is equals to 0, then what we have to do? If the value is equals to 0, then we will swap the values of nums mid with nums low index. Okay, here nums low is started with this index. So after that, the values will be swapped, and 0 will come at the first place. Like here, it will come at the lower place, and low plus plus, because we have assigned the value. After that, low's index will increase, and mid index will also increase in this case, as it's saying, because yeah, because we have to check the mid for the next value. Okay, like we will again check the next value, like for the mid. For that's why we have increased the mid also. And in the else if case, if else, if mid is equals to 1, then it will be in the middle value. Then we will just increase the index value of that, so that we can check for further for the next values. After that, in the else case, okay, if both of these is not right, like both of these conditions, then in that case we will be swapping nums mid with nums high, because then in that case the only value that will be left to be swapped will be 2, because 2 is the higher value in this. Okay, in this sequence. So we will swap nums mid with high when nums mid will be equals to 2 in this case, because there are only three values given. We have already checked for the first two values, and in that case we will swap the third value with nums high and high minus minus, because the index value of high is in a is coming backwards, like from the right side of the array to the left side of the array. Okay, and the nums mid and nums low are moving forward like this, and that's how this code is working. Just there are three conditions. If it's 0, then we will swap mid with low. If it's 1, then we will just increase the index value of mid, so that we can check further for further mid values. And in the else case, we are just swapping nums high with nums mid, and nums high index is also decreasing in this case, because we have started nums mid values, like pushing the values, filling the values from the very end of the array. That was all for this code. So now the now I think we can come back to the chat, man, and I will update the status here. And if Krish, if you are still there, then you can tell me if you are here. Then I will tell you like what you asked. So first problem revisited today. The name was okay. Krish is a graduate, but like where you come from, man? Like have you found me on like your home feed, or from where you are coming? Like you found me randomly or something. Can you just give me a minute? I will be just back in just 1 minute. There is a phone call coming. I will be back. Just give me 1 minute, okay? Just 1 minute. Okay. So you have found my video from home feed. Okay, that's nice. Gracious listening. So you are a graduate and you are asking from me what I am doing. Can I know a little about you, like where you're from, what you do, and how you got started with this channel? Okay. So I'm from Uttar Pradesh. You can say that I am from Uttar Pradesh, and right now what I am doing, I have created this channel for so that I can share my, document my journey or like do learning public streams. Like here, what I do, I pick some like DSA problems and try to solve them. After that, I try to explain them in front of all of you, like to all of the viewers who are watching, and yeah, and have interactions with the viewers like you have came, and trying to build a community here like of people. And I also have a Discord server where I'm trying to build a community where people can help each other, and also on the live stream like help each other grow together like this. And yeah, and in the as a secondary thing, I am doing. You can say I am doing also web development, and soon the CSS series will start. Like I have just created I am just finishing the thumbnail of that series, which will be coming, I think, tomorrow, or maybe maybe it can start tomorrow. And what I will be doing in that, I will be building a project from scratch, and in that project I will be not copying any tutorial or anything or do any type of vibe coding. I will be making that project from very scratch, okay? And as the new things will come, as I will learn new things, then I will add those things, okay, in the project, like in a gradual manner. Like it will be a major part of my development journey. Like it will be a big part of that. So right now I am doing this. So your name is Christian. I am from Northeast Tripura, currently pursuing BTech third year. What about you? Okay. So right now I am just. Can you? So you take a guess. Like in which year of college I am right now? Can you take a guess? If I tell you to guess my, and after seeing my face, what do you think? In which year of college I am? Oh my God. uh, every people are guessing it wrong. If I tell you I am just 12 pass, and the college will start in the month of August. Okay. You know, uh, the college will start in the month of August. Right now I'm just 12 pass. Like I didn't follow the traditional education. Like yeah, I didn't follow the traditional path. Just that's what I did. There were some financial problems, like you can say. Because of that, the college got a little bit delayed, but it is not that much delayed. Like it was supposed to join the college in the last year, like around July, but I like because of some things that was delayed. But you can say that I have given the 12th exams around October 2025, and after that you can assume the results came around 2026 in the month of January. So yeah, that was all. Okay, you are short. Maybe I don't know if it's something you feel like it's shocking, but I wanted to do these type of things like when I was passed out from 10th class around 2023, and I know Hindi. I know a little bit of Bengali because there was a friend of mine who used to speak Bengali, but we are not in contact right now. And I also know Hindi, but I will not use that because I am also trying to improve my communication skills here, and that's also the purpose of the doing streams or like coming online like this. Like I can talk in Hindi. Like if you go onto my channel and view my very first stream, I was talking in Hindi in that, and yeah. But after that, I thought that why shouldn't we talk in English and like improve my communication by doing that? That will be an amazing thing. I thought about that. That's why I know Hindi, man. I talk in Hindi in my home. Uh, in my home, okay. I think I'm getting stuck at between talking. So sorry for that because I'm just practicing like day by day. It's improving on a minor level. But if you go and see my first stream and compare it to this, I think that there will be you can see a change. Brother, I can understand your English, but I can't speak. Okay, so can you suggest me how can I improve my communication? I have tried. So for improving communication, what you have to do, okay, as of my current understanding and what approach I am following, I am doing this type of things, okay, and like trying to explain things like what I have done here, like explain the problem, and I revisit this problem. I have already done it before, like yesterday, and yesterday what I was doing, I was trying to solve the problem by myself and explaining the thought process at the same time on the live stream, okay, so that it is at the same time improving my communication skills also. Like what people do, people just I think you have seen people who just say that we will improve communication in the placement season, or we will cover it like around when when we will be near to giving interview, or like 2 or 3 weeks before that. But that's not right. You have to start improving communication from the day one, from the very day one. And and I've seen that like nowadays we are unable to find people who we can talk with, like friends or family members. So what we can do in that case, we can just like you can make a video or like and you're also doing like sending messages in English, so it is also a good thing. You can improve your English skills here also. And what thing you can do, you can create videos or like explain things and try to explain things by own and see how you are at speaking how you are speaking, and how are your hand gestures, or you can try to take a topic like in any subject, not just computer science or other thing. You can, like, for example, you can pick a chapter in science. There is for example, you pick a chapter like evolution and try to explain that, like what is evolution and who gives the theory of evolution in a way, and you can get reviews from people like how am I doing and how can I improve that, and what things should I improve in my communication. That's how you can do that on a daily basis. You have to do that, like you have to think in English and talk in English, like or if you don't have people that you can talk with, then you can try to make videos, or like you can talk in front of mirror also, or make videos, or don't upload them on social media or other platforms. If you don't want to do that, then you can do that also. If you just improving your communication skills, or you can, okay man. And yeah, you can also join my Discord server. If I give you a link, I will suggest to that, so that you can share a daily update, like what you are doing on a daily basis. You can give that update there, and yeah, there will be some more things coming in the Discord, so you can check it out and maybe try to join that. So there you can share your daily updates and daily updates. What does I mean by that? You can share your updates, then people will review it. Like I'm also trying to build a community of people where everyone can help each other grow together like this. Like here I'm giving you suggestions. So like I know that you are not just trying to improve your communication, you also you are also building some things, right? Like maybe you are doing this day, or you are doing something else like web dev or data science or other things. So if you are learning something on a daily basis, you can share it on the Discord, or maybe you have created a project that you can share that also. And soon I will be adding a bot on the Discord server, so that the it will give the level to the people like members in the chat according to their contribution. Like if someone has shared a part of their project, like in this case, see a person shared me, like told me to review this, uh, asked me to review his website today. And yeah, you can share, like if you have created like this section of your project, like okay, if you have even created a part of it, you can share it on the Discord, so that people will review it, or like you can get a review at the quick time when everyone will be online, or and according to that, the bot will do, I will be soon implementing that. That bot will just give you some levels or increase your XP. By doing that, you will be assigned a level, and you can check like on which level you are, or according to the contributions you will make, the projects you will share, and the things you are doing on a daily basis according to that. So if you think it's good, then you can join the Discord server. I have just shared you the link, and you can share your daily progress there. And yeah, it will also build a responsibility on yourself also, that you have to share daily updates. And yeah, and you can interact with others also, make friends there, or like try to grow together. Maybe you will find people like who have same interest, who have the interest same as you, and who are doing similar things like you, and you can have discussions with them, and try and maybe you get to know about the new things. Like in the Discord, if I show you, there are also some things like it is the channel of job openings. If there is job, other things people can share it here. There are some resource section and interview section where people can share some resources. And I've created global resources here where you can check for resources like in DSA. I have given this, and just these are new, just new. Okay, so you can share resources or find resources if anyone have uploaded them. So it is I think a great source to grow together. Like our Discord server helps in that, so you can consider joining that. Okay, Vishwajit haven't unsubscribed. I think that was just not upgrading. Okay, oh, sorry, the page hasn't refreshed at that time. So yeah. Okay, wait, I'm joining now. So your name is thanks for, and yeah, thanks for checking out my channel, man. I appreciate your action that you are doing. It will really help me, and thanks for subscribing to the channel also. Like it will boost my motivation to come again. I will come again even after that, if even if you will not join. Oh, sorry. If you will just watch the videos, then after that also. And sorry chat, because we are just having interactions here, and yeah, I forgot to update that. I have to take a break in between. So what I will do, I will, when in between conversing with him, like code with Krish, then I will be explaining this problem on which I have done on LeetCode. I will be revisiting this. After that, I think we can consider to take a break, okay, of 2 to 5 minutes in between. Let's see where he is. Or okay, currently 4 people are watching the stream, man. I don't know who the other 2 are who are watching the stream. It's showing 3 here, but in my mobile phone it's showing that there are 4 people watching the stream. Today I think the reach increased a little bit. That's good. It feels good when the community, uh, when the size of community is getting bigger, or like when new people come on the stream and we have interactions between us, and yeah, it feels really good, like when the community is growing, and seeing people coming there and joining and telling about their experiences or what they're doing and where they're stuck at, and yeah, it feels good that I am able to maybe help someone, or they can help me, and other things. Okay, man. Yeah, I have seen that. And yeah, I forgot to told you that you have just subscribed to the channel, and what I have done, I was to say that you can consider subscribing to me when you think that you have learned something from me, or have gained something from the channel, then you can consider subscribing. I forgot to tell you that before. Like, I was going to say that you can, for now, you can like the stream. I was going to say that, just I say these things at the end of the stream, but when viewers come, then I try to, why not just they subscribe, but I forgot to change the lines in between. That's why I said to you also that you can subscribe if you can subscribe. So sorry for that. And yeah, like what I've seen people say that when you do a live stream, you can ask the viewer to like the stream, so that they can get to know like how many people have came to the stream, and may have liked the stream, so that it will be marked as a counter, like, okay, the number of likes were this, and other things were this. So you can consider just liking the channel for sorry, liking the stream for now, and maybe consider subscribing for later. Or if you think that you have gained something, or you are learning something new, then you can subscribe. But you have already subscribed, so I can't say that again. You can for now just also do like the stream, because people forget to like the streams in between. I know I'm new on the channel, and doing things in a fresh way, but when you like the stream, then it gets recommended to other people also, so that other people can also join, maybe, you know and the community can get bigger and new people will join. Like as you found my stream on your home feed, so maybe maybe it works like that, like subscribing or liking the stream. Maybe it will reach more people like you, so that they can also join and grow together and see me explaining things like this. So, so can you tell me like you are doing BTech? So beside communication things that you have told me, what what skills have like what are the other technical skills that you are working on or like improving, and how much you have like in which field you are doing the things. Can you tell me that? Like, are you in web development or something else? And what skills have you gained till now in those things at a basic or it is at a basic level or an intermediate level? As you had said that you are in BTech third year, so I assume that you have till now gained some skills, technical skills. So you can tell me about that also. Maybe he's writing something, or maybe he's just gone, I think. So till he comes back, what we will be doing, we will be starting our second revisit of today. Okay, that's name is segregate zeros and ones, and this problem is on Geeksforgeeks platform. Okay, the interface kinda look like uh, not that good, but we will okay. He's still here, so okay. Software developer. Currently, I'm doing full stack mon. I have done Flutter Basic, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, C++, Dart, Firebase, Supabase, and other services like ImageKit. Okay, so basically you have finished a major part of front end. Just you are doing MERN, right? Like you are currently in the back end. I got to know about these things like Dart, Firebase, Supabase, and other services like ImageKit. Right now, I didn't know about these things, but I think these things are like you're talking about, but these are not. These are something else, right? And for MERN, can you tell me from which sources are you using? Are you like watching tutorials on YouTube or like following someone? Because for backend there are not so many videos like good videos for backend. Okay, you have done Node.js till now, and rest of the other things is still needs to be completed. Okay, so what's your approach like? Which resources do you follow? Like follow the YouTube things, like YouTube courses or tutorials, or use AI for learning. no, I have completed Express.js, MongoDB, and Java tokens, and many other things. So most of the backend part is completed. Okay. Okay. So I think you will be now maybe finishing some projects or like maybe work on a major project because you said that you are in third year, but you still have 1 year left, man, right? Then what you okay, front end and back end is just okay. So now after that you will be trying to get make projects and maybe apply for internship, right? And from how much time? Can you tell me from how much time you are learning these skills? Like when you started front end, from that point, like from the very early point. Yeah, yeah. The condition is the condition is you can assume that conditions are also same here. Okay, that chat is already translated to English. The condition is same here also in the UP. Okay, there again another guy came named as Krishna. Hello Krishna, welcome to the stream, man. Hello, hello, and tell me, man, what type of help you ask? What do you, what type of help you want? Maybe I will try to help you if that thing will be on. If I will know, if I know about that, then I can tell you. First, tell me what type of help you want, man. I could not solve questions. Okay, you're talking about this lead code or DSA. Oh man, the amount of viewers, today. Okay, so can we start from the very beginning? And Krish, you know, you can also type in between. I'm just trying to understand the problem of him also. So yeah, maybe I will be switching context in between, like talking with you and talking with him also. So, uh, okay, man. So, can you tell like in DSA, what are you doing in DSA? Like, are you in college or are you near to end your college or and what is your approach? What approach are you following? Or are you currently a beginner in learning DSA? Can you take one question, medium or hard, and tell the process of problem solving? Fourth year. Okay. I could not solve questions as you said but what that mean? Like take one question, medium or hard, and tell the process of problem solving. So you are getting stuck at explaining the process, like how the flow is going in the type of medium problems or hard level problems, right? But you okay implementations problems. But you are, if I say that you are unable to solve problems on lead code, and it can be easy, medium, or hard, is that right or what? Like I am not getting your problem, like what you are trying to say. That's the thing. Because I'm also a beginner, just doing learning public streams here, so I can give you a raw suggestion about this, like what approach I am following. But first, you will have to tell your problem in a in a right way, because right now I am unable to stand like what you are trying to say. Yes. And are you asking from me that should I like take a one problem and actually I could not able to implement my logic into the code. Okay. So you are saying that when you open a new problem, then your mind gets blind, and like if you open any problem, like new problem on LeetCode or any other platform, then your minds get a little bit blank, and the thoughts don't start coming right after opening the problem or seeing what is given in the problem. Is that the thing that you are talking about? Like you are reading about things, like you are doing DSA, but unable to. Okay. So what is your approach? Like, are you following any resource like YouTube or something, or just the college is teaching you DSA? Are you following, uh, or are you following any playlist or any course in which the DSA is being taught? And what is the source that you are following? Can you tell me? Okay, Strava sheet. From resources, I also mean that from where you learned about DSA, like from where you learn the topics of DSA. Like I'm also following this sheet, like sorry, I'm following this course, like from Apna college, in which they teach DSA in C++. I know about the Strava sheet, and the Strava sheet is, a little bit confusing for me. That's why I'm not also following that, because the interface of it is a little bit confusing, like the arrangement of problems, the topics. Like I want to know from where are you learning DSA? I'm not talking about the sheet. You know what I'm trying to say? Striver. Okay. So how you think, like is Striver able to, is that person like the YouTuber Striver is like you are able to understand the things from him or what? Because if you are doing that, uh, you should be able to solve problems, man, or because I have listened about him, like he's a great, good YouTuber, and yeah, he have a DSA playlist where he teaches DSA. Could not solve anyone. So, are you just a beginner at DSA, or have you finished like basic DSA or things? Oh man. No, I'm not beginner. So you are at a mid level, right? Start with the easy one. Yeah, that's the thing. You have to start with the easy one, man. Yeah, I can see visit your profile, and you know that if you will try to solve medium problems directly or hard problems, then it will become become a hinder in our learning, because first we have to solve like easy life problems. Then when we will get comfortable in that, then we can try to jump onto middle. After that, hard. Okay, the level will increase. Okay, UX variant. Let's see that. Is this your profile? Is this your profile? Are you joking or something like? uh, okay, he was doing a type of. Why were you doing this, man? Like, are you checking me? Like, why? Why you have done this? Your acting was good. You know, your your acting was good. Okay, it's not a prank. Then how you are at this level, man? You are not a beginner, man. How can I believe you? Like, okay, at this time you are getting confused, but your profile is. I would say that it's a very hardcore profile, man. As of my current understanding, like if I compare it to my profile, you see, I have only solved around 29 problems till now, and you've done around 848, and also doing contest, giving contest. We will learn and grow together. Yeah, we will do that. But you're already at a good level, man. And can you tell me that do you like? Okay. Can you tell me that what is the approach? Like, do you revisit the problem that you have solved before again and again? Like, do you keep revisiting like important problems in which new concepts is being introduced, or like there are some good approaches, important approaches or algorithms which are being used in those problems? Okay, you frequently revisit. That's why. Okay, you are also doing it in the C++. So, from how much time have passed when you started DSA? Like, how much time it took to reach to this level, man? 4 years. Okay. And you were following Strava from the very beginning, right? Yes. Okay. So when you open a brother, can you tell me or give suggestion how you maintain such a consistency? Yeah, Chris, just just wait for 2 minutes. Then I will tell you. Like first, I think I should first finish that converse like with Krishna. Then I will the name of both of you is same. So yeah, I think Krishna, you are following Striver. That's good. You are following the sheet, and you have done this in all the 4 years. What you can do, I think you can prepare a proper notes for all of these, like a specific topic you pick, and you make notes on that topic. Like you know what I'm trying to say. Like in array, you can assume in array, like what are arrays like, and what type of approaches we can try to solve the problem with in arrays, and what type of problems can come in array, and how we can for example, how we can initialize, for example, a vector, how we can initialize the vector. There are three ways to initialize a vector. So I think that you are okay. Don't be sad, and what you can do. You are in fourth year, okay. I think you have amount of time that you can rebuild your thing, and I think you should not. There is also another thing I will tell. You can do that, and as you have already, I think, covered a lot of problems till now, that you will be able to get a job, or maybe like what you are preparing for, you can easily, I think, get that. And you have covered, I think, some of the topics, like you have covered some advanced topics also. So what you can do, you can try to maybe prepare notes, or maybe revisit the problems in a proper manner, and not, what I'm trying to say. Okay, okay. That's why the focus is not building. I will suggest you a YouTuber. Like, I can't, I can tell you in my language like what you can do, but I will tell you about one YouTuber. You can visit, Neeraj Walia, who have, gone through the same thing as you. And yeah, I will tell that I was also, like, I haven't have a you're saying big breakup, but I haven't had a breakup in the past. But there was some things that I have happened to me. Like, it was, you can say, as a breakup, like, in a friendship circle, it broke. And yeah, and it broke after when, when there was some change in my identity was coming, and my old identity was, I was able to see that my old identity was like dying in front of me. Like, that was the day when I felt that. And yeah, today's the, I can say, yesterday it was the funeral anniversary of my weaknesses, like, which I left on when the things started to change, uh, last year in the month of July. The date was around this, like, 6th or 7th of July. It was around this. So I would say that you can, visit Neeraj Walia's channel. Maybe I will share the links of him, what he did after the breakup, and like how breakup changed him in a way. Because you have done this, man. Uh, these type of small things can't break you, man. You are very strong. You are very strong, man. Yeah. So, I can share that video, but not on live, because then it will become a thing. What we can do, you can join my Discord server. I will give you the link, and here we have created a community of people where we help each other grow together. Okay, you can come in the Discord and join it, and I will share the video link in the I will DM you that. Okay, like in your in the private, so you can watch that portfolio website. It's amazing. No, it's not my portfolio website, man. It's the portfolio website of the person who came on the stream. And he was saying that, please, sorry, review my profile and tell me, give me review, and yeah, other things. He's also in the Discord server. His name is, you can check it out. His name is Vishwajit. He came on the stream for the first time, and you also. Okay, you have joined your server. Let me see. it's not showing, man. Okay. I will share you the link after the stream, because right now I'm just trying to revisit some problems. Like I am just finishing the second problem revisit of today, second revisit of today. After that, there will be a third revisit, and it will also not take that much time. After that, I will just do one new problem today, because the stream interactions have taken a lot of time. So because of that, after that I will be, when I will end the stream, I will share the link of the video after that, because I also follow him, so I will have to find those videos where he have explained the things, like how the things work, like how hard you are, like how hardcore you are, like you have done these type of things, you are already a hardcore person, man. These type of small things can't break you, and you are very strong. Okay, but the language he will use, I think that will be a good language in which you can, you will get on the track again, and become the I can't use that word, become the hardest on the planet. Okay, like as Goggins said, what do you think? GitHub. Brother, I helped her a lot and she left me at my peak time. At my peak time. That happens, man, that happens. People just try to use us like, as an emotional baggage, or a time pass. What I can say, like, I don't know about you in detail, but as far as I know, that they just try to use us. They are not real people who, they just show that they are being real, or they are trying to help us, or they are trying to grow with us. But that's not the case. Like there are some other faces of them also, and as you said that she left you at your peak time. I will say that because you were growing, and she was unable to see you growing. I think because of that, because I think because you are solving problems, maybe you are busy in focusing on your career, because you are at the end of your college, and because of that, that thing happened. But remember, you are. I think now the peak time of you has started. Now the real thing is started. Like what life does. Life, there is, some type of slaps needed in life. Like a strong slap is needed, so that, and you got it early. I think that it happened to you very early at this stage, and I think it's good. So now what you can do, you can stand again and focus on your things, man. You are a very hardcore person. You are already at a level, and when I will share the links of video, then you will get to know, like it in a more detailed way. Like I'm trying to get his thoughts on my stream, but I can play the video of him right now on the stream, because yeah, that's the case. And you can consider subscribing to the channel, so when I will be doing live stream again, or maybe upload new videos, you can come again and we can have interactions. And you have already joined the Discord, so in the Discord you can also, you remember, you can also share our daily updates, like what are you doing on a daily basis, because you are not a beginner, man. You are already at a very good level. These small things can't break you. Thanks for the subscribe, man. It will really help me. Like it boosts my motivation to come again. Even if you will not subscribe, then I will be doing live even after that, because this is the type of thing I have found that this gives me joy. The type of joy I get from these things. doesn't come from friends or other relatives, you can say. This is the type of joy that no one can give me, like learning skills, explaining things to all of you. Okay, Krishna was saying something. So, brother, can you tell me or give suggestion how you maintain such a consistency? You know, the thing is, I will say that there should be two priorities of yourself. That first is growing yourself, and second is your family. Okay, like for if you follow these approach, like focus on your thing, focus on yourself and your family, and yeah, try to pick your mistakes. And it is a very, it is a question that will take time to answer for me, because I think it is a type of question which can take around maybe more than 10 minutes to be explained. Okay, so we will cover this in another video, like stream, because stream has got a little bit long, and I have to finish this also. And what you were saying, okay, brother, how you, okay, Krishna, brother, your GitHub profile is not available. Can you share? Okay, okay, Krishna is sharing your GitHub, his GitHub profile. Okay, yeah, we will also try, try to help you, man, because you're already on a good level. Just you need the right push, or push from the people of the community of men's, who will again bring you up, and you will start again doing the things in the right way. And that's the base of this channel or community that we are trying to create here. My name is Atharva. My name is Atharva, and yeah, let me write it. This is my real name, and but you haven't seen the videos of Neeraj Walia before, right? You don't know about this guy. He's a very hardcore guy, man. And yeah, he does uses Hindi also. I also know Hindi, but I will not try to communicate in that language, because I'm also trying to improve my communication on a daily basis. Even if I will interact with you, I will talk in English. That's the purpose of this also. Should I, can I get 5 to 10 minutes so that I can finish this problem explanation? Like it's just a normal type of problem. After that, we will be continuing, like talking. I know about him, but the video you are mentioning, I have not watched, I guess. Okay. You know about him, but you have not watched a lot of videos regarding that topic that you have told, the thing that you have been through. Brother, what are you doing at this stage? It is really amazing, and how you're talking. Actually, I can't. Uh, it's just coming from practice, man. Like today's the day 20 of my stream, and I have created this channel. I think around 7th of June. If you will see my very first stream, you will get to know that I was talking in Hindi, and I was very feeling very shy and other things. You can see in that, but after the third stream, I am doing like live stream daily. Okay, thanks for that. Uh, if I inspired you, that's the goal of mine, to help each other and grow together. Like explaining is also thing. Like it is also kind of educating someone or giving someone the right type of thing that he should follow, or I hope I will continue my grind. Yes, you also inspired me and Krishna, brother. I am also inspired by you also. Yeah, thank you. Thank you all for also joining like Krish and Krishna. You guys also came on the stream, and you are also helping me improve my communication skills at the right time. Like at the right time, we are communicating with each other, and how the things are going right now. And I am loving that the community is getting bigger. It's very good. Krish, that you can see when I was doing this, and when I started, how I was, when I'm doing this currently, how I am. Like I will say that I am not speaking in the right flow right now. Like from the starting when we were having interactions, you can check like other streams like day 19 or day 18, 17. There I have have interactions with people in a more good way. Okay, now the interesting part comes. So, Krishna, can you guess in which year of college I am right now? This will be a good thing. Like Krish have already guessed it, but now it's your turn to guess in which year of college I am right now. Okay, so here comes the catch that the college of mine will start from the month of August. I haven't even joined the college yet. I will take admission this month. Hmm. I don't know why everyone is getting it wrong. Maybe my face looks like that or something. But I will tell you that my college is not started yet. Yeah. But it's kind of fun. Like when people get it wrong, then you are playing too early. And many people have advised me that this is the hard way that you're going. But I said that what we have to do in a whole day, like why we can't do hard things, like why we can't practice hard things when we have the whole day, when we can play games for around 10 hours, 14 hours, then why we can't give time on skills, improving skills, and doing these type of things, man. Like this is the real thing that we can do as a as a student or as a good person. Like which college? Okay, so the college that I will be joining, you can what you can do, you can visit my LinkedIn and you can see it there, because I have given my LinkedIn profile in the about section of my channel. When you will open this, then you can get to my LinkedIn. Okay, and here there are also GitHub links, or okay, LeetCode also. You can check it out there. Like I have mentioned it like in the education section. I already sent you a connection request. Okay, Krishna bro. This is not the first time that I am doing this. Like this was the thing that was going on my mind when I was in 10th class. Okay, and even before that. But what happened at the 10th class, at the end of 10th class, my PC that I have built was not that good. So I first sell that. After that, I was not having a good laptop. After that, I have just recently purchased it. you know, and then I am continuing to do these things. And yeah, I will follow you so that I will keep track of what you're doing on a daily basis. And yeah, even after that, I'm able to see that even after that, you are doing questions, man. That shows that shows your love for these things, like your career, like that's the thing I was searching for. Achava, okay. Yeah, I will check that after the stream. Okay. So should I like continue revisiting the problem, like, or maybe you guys want to say something, and we can have interactions after revisiting. I will take a 5 to 10 minutes break. We can talk in between that, so that the stream can also get end at the right time as it is needed to end because it's happening at 10:38, and yeah, I also have to take dinner. Like, see, even the evening lunch isn't finished now. You can see it's still here. I haven't even finished that. Okay, so I'm going to solve this for now. Like revisit this. Mm, the time is not that much fixed, but I come around 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay. What I do, I put the link in Discord when I will be, going to start the stream or the stream has started. Then you can also check it out from there and you can join. That's the thing. So should I, start explaining the things? Like I also have to finish the revisit, man. Okay, you can watch me doing this, or maybe we can have interactions when I will take the break. Like if after revisiting a problem or trying a new solving a new problem, I have created a rule to take a 5 minutes of break or maybe more than that and hydrate myself or do a little bit of stretching in between. I haven't done it today, like because I was having interactions with you guys. Like today there were a lot of interactions came. See, you can see it from here. This is a very long list. You know, the list is very long. This, man. Okay, so should I continue doing this? So just to see how the things are working. Okay. So here we are doing the second revisit named as Segregate Zeros and Ones on Geeksforgeeks platform. Okay. So here given an array consisting of only zeros and ones, modify the array in place to segregate zeros onto the left side and ones onto the right side of the array. It is similar to the problem that we did like in sorting colors, but just what we have to do, we have to place zeros at the starting and moves one at the end. Okay, like the right side of the array and zeros at the left side of the array. Here after segregating these, we will get the values like this. Segregating means separating the values in different ways. Like here, we are doing segregating the values like in this manner. अथवा I build thumbnail for you. Please check Discord general text channel. Whether wait, let me just finish that revisit of this, then I can check that. Okay, just wait for a minute. Till then you can do your work or finish your work or watch me doing this. Okay, so we are back again, and after segregation, all the zeros are on the left and ones are on the right. Modified array will be looking like this. Zeros will come on the front side and one will be after that. Okay. So what I will do, I will rewrite the code of this. I will try to rewrite the code of this problem. Okay. See, first what I will do, I will create two variables. First we will name it as low, which will start from the zeroth index, and the second that we will name it as high, because there are only two values and we can name it low and high. And in this case, we also use the third variable and name it as mid because there are three values here. So we use three pointers approach in this, and where it's gone. Okay, I think I should bring it here. Okay, so and I will create the high with the initialize it with the last index, that is nums dot size -1. In this case, after that we will be using a while loop again, while low is less than or equals to high. Okay, and inside that we will be going through the problem like what. First we will check if low is equals to 0, then what will happen. Then in that case we will increase the low's index. Okay, because when index will increase, the value 0 will be placed at the 0th index of the low, like which we have initialized. So the value 0 will be will come at that place. Okay, and low's index will increase so that we can check for the next values. After that we will use another else if condition and check if high is equals to 1. Okay, then what will happen? In this case we will be decreasing the highest index, because high is starting from the last index, so it will start filling the values from the very last index, like from this side, from the right side to the going to the left side. Okay, till this condition is true. Like when low will be less than high, then it will this condition will fail and we will be out of the loop. And after this if else condition, okay, else if condition, we will be using another condition, and that condition will be in the else case, like in the else case, if low is not equals to 1, sorry, low is not equals to 0, or else in that case what we will do, we will swap the values of array low index with array high index. Okay, in this type of problem you have to also keep in mind that the name of the variables and the name of the vector array. Okay, we will do this, and what we will do this in this, we will increase the index of low, and we will decrease the index of high, because low is shifting and low is swapping values with high. Okay, at this time, and high plus plus, and in the end we don't have to return anything because this is a void type function that we are using. So first I will format the code and try to run it. Maybe something can be wrong in this code, so we will fix it. Okay, nums, yeah, see, even after telling you guys, I mistakenly write this like its name is array.size. So let me just check through it what is wrong. If low is 0, low plus plus. Okay, let's see and try to run it again. Case completed. Okay, output difference. Okay, there is a difference in the output. Let me check why it's happening. I think I don't have to use this, just high minus minus, because we are adding the value at high. let me just run it because this is the fresh problem. Okay, what we will do, we will just take the help of this. Like I tried this code and try to understand the code again. Okay, this was the this was the code of the third problem that we have tried solving. Someone has given the solution in the stream, but we are trying to first solve this. Like I am doing revisit. Okay, so because of that, I will not see the code directly, or maybe should I see the code and try to understand it from the live chat? Let's see. Okay, okay, it should be less than, yeah, because it should be less than high. Okay, else wrap a low plus plus. Okay, I think maybe the condition is right now, and I think the low will also increase if I do that, like low plus plus here. I think it was right before. I'm just trying a different style. Okay, man, let's ask it and see where we are getting wrong. Where I am getting wrong, I am trying to revisit this problem of GFG that we have done yesterday. I see, okay, mistakes, conditions are wrong, okay. Else, here you're checking that dash is low high instead of the array values. Okay. Here is just the mistake. Even I was telling you guys that what mistake you don't have to do. I did that. Okay, now it's accepted. Now what we will do? We will try to understand the problem. So in this we have to, separate the value zeros and ones. Zeros will come at the front of the array, like left side of the array, and one will come at the left side of the array. First we initialize low with the 0th index and high with the last index. Okay. And after that, like we start filling the values of high from the last index and start filling the values of low from the very first index of the array. While low is less than high, okay. In this case, while low is less than high, okay. Then yeah, inside this, what we are doing, we are checking if low's index value is 0, then low plus plus. Okay, low's index values will increase, and we will check for further low's value. And else if here we are checking for high, like if array high index value, like if the last index value is equals to 1, then high minus minus. If this is true, then high's index value will decrease, and the value 1 will be placed at the value 1 will start filling from the last index, and yeah, high index value will decrease in this case, and we will be able to check for other values of high till this condition is true, okay. And in that case, if array low value is equals to 1, okay, like if it's equals to 1, then this will be wrong. So in that case, what we are doing, we are checking if array low is equals to 1, okay, then we will swap the value of array low with array high, and here we are doing high minus minus because we have assigned the value of, when it will be 1 in the low index, then it will go at the highest place, like here. Assume it will come here, and high minus minus because we have assigned that value, so it will check for further high, and low plus plus because the value of high has come to the lowest place, so we will be able to check for that value. Okay, this is how the things is working in this. There are three conditions. If this is equals to 0, low is equals to 0, then low's index increase. Second case is if high is equals to 1, then high minus minus, it will start from the last index and goes in the left direction. And in this case, if array low is equals to 1, will be equals to 1, then we will swap both values like 0 with 1, and and decrease the index of high and increase the index of low. In this case, this is how this thing is working. I will now submit it and mark it as visited for today. So we have now revisited the second problem of today, and yeah, we revisited it in a fast way because it's just a basic level of problem. So there is no meaning that we should give a lot of time to this. But I think the viewers who are watching, or the person I have explained the, I think they have understood this thing a little. Okay, try this. What they said, you should take two pointers left and right and pass zeros to left and ones to right and step when array left equal to 1. Array right equal to 0. Okay. Yes, now you do right. Yeah. Yeah, I was not, I was not solving any problem at that time. I was just revisiting the problem and try to rewrite the code and explain the logic again so that the patterns will, get in my mind in a good way. That's why I was doing this. So I will second problem revisited today, and the name of it was what? Segregate zeros and ones. On Geeksforgeeks coding platform. Okay, now 5 minutes break has started again. Like I forgot to take it before. So yeah. Now if anyone is seeing the stream or want to say something, they can say, or like we can have interactions. In between I will be like doing some stretching because after sitting for this long the body is like kind of hurting a little bit, like I'm having a little bit of pain. If anyone is watching, they can ask something if they want to ask something about this problem that I have revisited, or anything. Quick reminder, bro check. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's a good thumbnail, man. You have created a very good thumbnail. You used AI for this. Just my face is not, just the face is not that, but it is like looking very eye-catching. It's a very good thumbnail that you have created. Yeah, I like it very much. Just the face. What we can do, we can just use Canva, or maybe just we can add the real image here, and I think I can use this maybe, but not right now because the thumbnail, I can't change the thumbnail because it is the type of thumbnail which I will be keep using for until we will see that, because it's going in a manner and I can't change that. But you have created a very good thumbnail. But you could have used your image also, man. Like people will think that what I'm trying to say that I think I will end the stream just after maybe 1 hour, because e- even at this point I have not finished my lunch, man. Evening lunch. Okay, you can see. So the dinner time, I will do the dinner at a late time, and after that I will try to, yeah, I will end the stream soon. Just finish the third revisit. After that I will be trying a new problem. Maybe, yeah. That's why, I'm thinking, should I focus on like interacting with all of you, or like see the thing. I will give a review. Like, I have given a review on this. I will see it after stream, because right now I'm also indulging doing these things. Like the focus is currently on this. Yeah, taking actions is also necessary. That's why. So I think I should just give me 2 minutes. I will be back. Till then, you guys see what he have created. Okay. I make it in Canva. Yeah, I also use Canva, man. I also use Canva. If I show you, I am also creating a thumbnail here like this using Canva. Like, this is a upcoming series. Like, I will be starting building a project from scratch. I have already told you, and I think this will start from maybe tomorrow. Like, it will not be a daily stream for this project, but it will continue. Like, I have done this, I think it took around 30 minutes or maybe 1 hour, you can say. I'm just finishing this. It's not finished yet. Okay. Okay. Thanks for giving me the link. I will check that. Maybe. Okay. Maybe I will like make some changes and can use it in other type of streams. Yeah, where I can make videos on LeetCode. Maybe not on live stream thumbnails, maybe on other type of videos. And thanks for doing it, man. Like, you gave time on this type of thing for me. I really appreciate that. I will add the bot, and I will, first I will increase your level, because you have shared the first thing, you have shared this on the live stream. And yeah, and also the other people also that are on the stream, or sorry, Discord, who are sharing that what they have done or they are doing. I think I should, in few days, I should add the bot in the Discord server, because the community is getting a little bit big. I think I can say a little bit bigger. Thanks for doing that, man. This is really good. Okay, so I will just be back in 2 minutes. Let me just hydrate myself a little, because I'm talking from a very long time. It has been 2.3 hours. Sorry, 2.5 hours. So yeah, let me just refresh myself and hydrate and do a little bit of stretching. And yeah, after that we will be revisiting the last problem of today. And after that, I will try a new problem, because yeah, we have to also try a new problem in this. So yeah, and the time is not that much left. So yeah, till then you can send messages, or like can send messages and interactions. Okay, the XP is looking like this. Okay. Till then you can send messages. Okay. If you need any help about setup or your Discord bot, just free to contact. Okay. Thanks for that, bro. I will if I will need any help, I will tell you. Okay. Till then, I'm just taking the break has started. I will be back in just 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. Because I have to finish the stream of today. Okay. Okay, I'm back again, guys. I'm back again to take a stand. Okay, I think everybody is currently not on the stream. I think I should continue maybe revisiting the third problem. Till then, if anyone will come in between, we will try to maybe have interactions. Till then, I think I should finish the third revisit of today. So now what we will be doing, we have completed the second revisit. I have explained the dry run of that. Also, we did the dry run of it, and we rewrote the code of it. Just there were some mistakes that I told that you guys shouldn't do in this problem, but even after I told that did that in this problem. Okay, so this was the second problem that we revisited on Geeksforgeeks platform. Okay. After that, now I will be revisiting this third problem named as sort array by parity. Okay, in this, this is the third problem that we are revisiting, and all these problems that we are doing is kind of in a same family. You can imagine these are like similar type of problems and similar type of approaches or things you can say is being used here. So this is the third problem revisit of today. In this, we will be using a kind of same approach in this, just there will be some changes in conditions or variable names. And yeah, there is also one thing. The problem I did, the second revisit that we did, the time complexity of this was equals to big of n, okay. And the problem that we revisited the first revisit of today, the time complexity of that was also equals to big of n, and this also. So now what I okay, now we will try to understand this, and I will write the code of it. After that, we will be trying a new problem after it. So let's start. So the problem name is sort array by parity. What we have to do in this, given an integer array of given an integer array named as nums, we have to move all the even integers, okay, all the even integers at the very beginning, okay, means at the front of the array, like this. All the even numbers will be arranged like this in the front at the beginning of the array, followed by all the odd integers. Okay, after that we have to put the odd integers after that and return any array that satisfies this condition. Okay, we have to do that. And here's the example given, like in this, the values are like odd and even, but they are not arranged in the manner. So after sorting this, this will be the output. Like 2 and 4 are even numbers, so they are placed at the front. After that, they are the even values, so they are at the front, and the odd values are coming after them. Okay, that's how this will work. And so I will write the code of it first. After that, I will try to explain this again on today's stream. And yeah, this is a vector. This is a vector type data type function. So we will have to return the result vector after this. And we also have to do in place sorting in this. Okay, not create another vector, new vector. We will be just making changes in the given vector array. Okay, I think that's the same type of logic that we used in this problem. Okay, that we used in this problem will be used in this. Just the conditions will be little changed. So let's open this and close a little bit, maybe these tabs, because the number of tabs opened is have got little. Okay, so first we will create two variables. Okay, like first the name of it will be even, and it will start from the 0th index. And the second that we will initialize it with like odd, it will be named as okay, it will start from the last index. Okay, like that we did in all the other problems before. After that, we will use a while loop. Okay, and write a condition inside that while even is less than odd. Okay, then till that point it will run. Like in this case, we also did that. Like while low is less than high, then the loop will run. Okay, and inside that we will be using if conditions, like if nums. Okay, let me see if nums even value. Okay, if nums even value modulo with 2, if it's giving 0, then what we will do, we will increase the index of even, like this plus plus. Okay, and the value we will get after that, like if this will be 2, then the index of it will be increased, and the even value will be placed at the front in this case. After that, I will be writing another else if condition, like here we will check for the even, like nums, if nums odd modulo with 2 is giving, like it's not equals to 0, then what we have to do, we will in this case increase, like decrease yeah, if it's not equals to 0, then we will decrease odd index, because then it will be a odd value, because when you take any number modulo with 2, like it is taking the remainder of the number that is divided by 2. If the number divided by 2 gives 0, then it will be considered as a even number, and if it's not equals to 2, sorry, if it's not equals to 0, then it will be considered as a odd problem. That's just a basic maths. And after that, in the else case, if this is not true, okay, like if nums even index value is not equals to this, then what we have to do in that case? In that case, we will be we'll be swapping the values, okay, of nums even with the nums odd, like this. Okay, and after in this also even plus plus, like that we did before, and odd minus minus, because then we will be able to check for the next values, and yeah, for even, and the next values for odd in this manner. Like odd values will start filling from the last index, and even values will start filling from the left side of the index, like in a forward way, and all the odd values will start filling from the rightmost, like last index, in a backward ways. Okay. After that, we have to return the vector. Let me see the positioning of. Okay, we forget to use this. Then this while loop will be ended. Let me see. While loop ended here if this else condition. Okay, the function ended here. Before ending the function, we will return the nums array. After it, first I will see if the code is right or wrong. Okay, there is some mistake. We forget to use this. If this is okay, even plus plus. If this is the odd plus plus. Odd minus minus, else swap nums even nums odd, even plus odd minus. Okay, it's you can see it's subtracted like in both cases. It's an easy level of problem. In this we have used two pointers. First is for even numbers and second is for odd numbers. Even numbers is starting from the first index and odd numbers are starting from the last index. Okay, like it will in odd we will start filling the values. The pointer will move from the right side to the left side, and in the even values it will start from the left index and go in the direction of right index, while even is less than odd, because even will be less than odd, because then we will be able to separate the values like here. If it will be equals to, then maybe the values can, but that will not happen. Okay, so we are checking here, like first we use this condition. If nums even value, okay, nums even index value modulo with 2 is giving 0, then we will do even plus plus, like we will increase the index number of it and we will check for the next index of even. Okay, and after that, yeah, we use this condition for the odd, because even even index is less than odd. Okay, like here, so that's why. So here we have used the condition for odd, like if nums odd index value is modulo with 2, taken modulo with 2 gives 0. Okay, if it's more than 0, then odd minus minus, and we will check for the further odds. Okay, further odd values like here. I will use this example also, and in the else case we will swap nums even and nums odd. In this case, when nums even is not equals to 0, when it is taken modulo with 2. Okay, it is taken modulo of with 2. In that case, even plus plus and odd minus minus, because we will be assigning the swapping the values, and odd index will get the right value and even will, so that we can check the next value for even. Here in this case you can see this is given at this, so first it will check for this like 0th index. It will not be true in this case. Okay, in this case we will swap the values of nums even and nums odd, so it will go at the, and yeah, we can return it in on your any order, like see the outputs 4321 1 minute 4213 2413. Okay, yeah, this type, the order can be in any manner, just the even value should be at the front and the odd value should come after them. So here we are checking for this. We are checked for the first value, then it will modulo with 2, but it will not be equals to 0. So we will do swap it with nums odd. So nums odd will be this. It will go at the end. Okay, and then even plus plus here, and we will check for the next value. And then this value will be checked, like if this is true, then if it's again not true, then we will swap again the values. After that we will check for this, then this will be true, then this will come at the index of even, and after that this will also come at the index of even. This is how this code is working. So there are three conditions in this. First condition is checking if it's modulo taken with 2, it's 0, then it will be considered a even number and it will push the values at the even, okay, index. Like even is plus increasing here and they here also, because in this case we have swapped, and in this case it has been found a even number, that's why. And in this case, else if num sort divide modulo with 2, like if it's modulo with taken with 2, it's not given 0, then we will assign that value, like put that value in the odd side. And yeah, after that odd index minus minus, because we have to check for further odd values by decreasing the odd index numbers. For that, in the else case, we will swap nums even with nums odd when nums even is not giving the value 0 after taking modulo of it with 1. And in the end, like after that, we will increase the index of nums even, so that we can check for next even values, sorry, next even variable index values, and odd minus minus, because mm, we are checking for the next odd index values. Okay, and in the end we will return the sorted array like this, because this is a type of a function in which we have to return the array in the end, and we have not created any other array, new array, okay, for adding all the values in the array. So yeah, we have marked it revisited now. Time complexity of this will come near to big of n, because we have only used the while loop here, and inside that we used only conditions. This was all the thing that we done in this problem. Just we have to put all the even values at the front and all the odd values after them. So now we will, after this we will try the new problem of today. So third revisit. Third problem revisited today, and the name was sort array by parity. Okay, now 5 minute break has started, but it will not get that, it will not extend to that much time. I will be starting the new problem soon. So till then, like, let me check what should be the new problem that we will be revisiting, because what not asked from Copilot. Whether is there any new problem that you will strongly recommend me, like I already did these three problems in front of you. Sort colors, segregate 0 ones, and sort array by parity. Let's see what it says. Okay, brother, since I've already knocked off this sort array by parity, the next strong great problem for you is partition array according to given pivot. Task is what? Task is to rearrange the array so that all the elements less than the pivot come first, then all the elements equal to the pivot, then all the elements created to the pivot. Why it's perfect now? It's the natural extension of the two pointer rearrangement you have been practicing. Very okay. Very similar to quick sort partitions, classic interview favorite. Builds directly on a comfort. Uh, how much it will take, as I am near to end my stream and was trying to pick a problem that I can solve in maybe less time. But the problem kind of look interesting. Let's also see that. Okay, okay. Because it's basically an extension what you already know, two-point rearrangement. Short array by part even faster, maybe 10 12 minutes, since it's just placing events at even indices and odd at third array by parity second. Let's check it out. Maybe third array by parity. this this is okay. Sort the array so that whenever nums I is odd, and whenever nums I is even. Return any answer that satisfies the condition. Okay, we can do this. And order can be in any manner. Okay, I think the time complexity of the code will be lesser. And I think I can try these other problems also. So I will take a screenshot of it. Okay, it's saved. Okay. What I have to do in that sort array by parity second part, like will the things will be same, just what like the problem is very similar, like just name have changed, but we will be starting. Okay, let's see. Okay, sort array is just name. Once you are given an array where half numbers are even and half are odd, you need to arrange it so that even numbers go to indices this and odd go to okay. We have to place them at specific pointers, like okay, odd values will come at the odd pointer and even values will come at the even pointer. Odd differs from just group all events first odd letters. You must place them at specific pointers, even indices, odd at odd indices. Okay. So the logic changes slightly. Instead of two pointers moving from left to right, you use two pointers that jump by two. Okay. If nums I is odd and nums j is even, then swap them. Keep moving for until the array is fixed. Okay. But it's saying this will be a condition. So I will run a single for loop. Okay. You won't be able to solve it just with just a single, yeah. Because the here is the requirement stricter. Even must go at this and not this. So okay. start pointers, then this is this swap them otherwise. Okay, it is given. Okay, we will not see the code. So saying that inside here we can see that okay, I is less than number of and j is less. Okay. Hmm, don't give me the code, just give me hints. Okay. Hmm. So I have already seen a little bit of this. Like here, it will be initialized like this. Zero will be start from zeroth index, and j will start from first index. Okay. And here we are using conditions. If this is this, if this is this, then this. In that case, this is this. Okay. I think it's similar to the problem that we did like here. Right. Okay, we will try to do that. First, let me check if all the revisits is marked or not. Sort, okay, it's marked as revisited, I think here also. Yeah, we have already submitted it. Let me check on my leaderboard if it's okay. I think the interface of this is a little bit different. Maybe okay, here. Yeah, it's correct. So now I will try to do this, and I will first close this because it is already done. So yeah. First we will create what? First we will create two variables. Int integer I is equals to 0. It will start from the 0th index and j will start from the first index. Okay. After that, what we have done, we have I think created another variable that was int n is equals to nums dot size, so that we can use it in the for while loop. Right. After that, we wrote a while loop while I is less than j. Right. This was the condition. Okay, I is less than n and j is also less than n, so that they go till the end of the array. I is less than n and then j is also less than n, then we have to run the loop, this loop till then. If what it was saying, if nums I, okay, modulo, okay, modulo with 2, right, modulo with 2 is equals to 0, then what we have to do, we have to increase its index, right, but by what value? Oh, I plus equals to 2, even index has even number, correct? Okay, like this. So I plus I index will increase like this. I plus equals to 2. Yes, Yashni Kam. Welcome to the stream, man. Welcome to the stream, brother. Hello. You got my stream from you found me randomly or what? Because I'm seeing you for the first time on my channel. Till okay, from my friend, okay. Thanks for joining, man. I was just writing the code of this problem, and yeah, I was getting stuck a little, but now I have understood the logic, so I was just doing this. Okay, so if you want to say something, you can tell me in the comments, and yeah, I will be reading your comments in between solving this. And you can also, you can also join my Discord server and share your daily process there, like daily progress there, like what you are doing on a daily basis, so that you can also have a track of what the things, and people will also get to know like what are you doing, and can give review on what are the type of things that you're doing. You can get a review on all of this also. Like I'm also trying to create a community of good people here who help each other grow together. So if nums j, till then you can see me solving this problem, or maybe if you want to say something, you can write write your message. If this modulo with 2 is not equals to 0, right? Is not equals to 0. Okay, yes. Why not format this? Okay, it's not equals to 0. If it's not equals to 0, then I think j value will increase just like normal, because, or maybe j plus equals to 3, because j will start from this index, then j1, okay, j plus 2 maybe, yeah. J plus equals to 2, and in the else case, what we will be doing, we will be mm, we will be in this case, like if it's not equals to 0, okay, like in this case, if nums I value will not be equals to 0, like if it's not even, then what we will do, we will swap the values of nums I with nums j, and here what we will do, we will swap nums I index value with nums j, like this, and after that nums, okay, after that I plus equals to 2, okay, here, and I think j will decrease. No, j will not decrease, but yeah, j will decrease, yeah. So j will increase there, because we are not starting it from the last index. If we, yeah, see, the condition is also same here that we wrote, and in the end we have to return the nums array, like this. Okay, first we will check. First, I think I should check the code if any error, syntax error is here. Maybe it might get slip in between, like num this, okay, else if this, fine. Else swap num with num I plus equals to j plus equals to this. So let's reformat the code and submit it. And it was also, okay, it's accepted. It was also an easy level problem. So first I will submit it and check the time complexity of this will also be equals to big of n, because while loop again, and it is doing just a number of operations, like, yeah, yeah, 2 pointers 3, and simulation time complexity is equals to big of n, you can see it here. And yeah, this was the problem. So what's happening in this problem, we have to sort array. This is the second part of sort array by parity. Here we are given an integer array like this. We have to sort the array like in a manner like all the odd values, sorry, all the even values, yeah, all the odd values should come at the odd indexes, and all the even values should come at the even indexes. Like in programming, indexing starts from 0 to n, okay, so 0 will be the even index and 2 will be the even index. So see, 4 and 2 have come on the even index, and the values 5 and 7 are odd, so they have come on the odd indexes. Like see, even index, odd index, even index, odd index, like in this manner we have to go. So for that I have wrote this code. In this we have initialized integer I as even value with 0 and integer j as the odd value with 1. Like they are the indexes, they are not the actual values. After that we have initialized another variable like by which we will comparing int I and integer j. Like it is equals to nums.size means it is equals to the number of elements present in the array. While I is less than n and j is also less than n, then this will run till then. So while I will be, I will go till the last index and j will also go till the last index. Till this is true, this loop will run. When this condition will fail, then we will be out of the loop. Okay, even if a single condition fails in this, like if I is not less than n or like this, then it will fail. So first what we did, first we wrote this if condition, like if nums index modulo with 2, sorry, nums index value modulo with 2, if it's giving 0, then what we are doing, first it started from the 0th index. Okay, remember, first it started from the 0th index, so it was already at 0th index. So in that case we increase the index value of it, like I plus equals to 2, so that it was 0, so I plus equals to 2 will be now on this third, like second index. Okay, like here it will be considered second index because we are doing programming. So in programming, indexing starts from 0 based indexing. Okay, so yeah, I plus equals to 2 so that it can check for further nums I values. And here if else if, here we are checking for j values. Okay, if nums j value, okay, which starts from the first index, like sorry, the second index, like from the second value of the array, we are checking for it. If it's not equals to 0, then j plus equals to 2. Here why? Because j, we have started j from the this index. Okay, yeah, we have started j from this index, and the even values will be odd values will be placed at the odd index, like here. Okay, and every time we will increase the index of it by 2 till it is less than n. Okay, it will go till the last index. And in the else case, here what's the catch? Here if nums I modulo with 2 is not giving 0, like if it will be a odd number, then it will not be equals to 0 when taken modulo with 2. So in that case we will swap both the values. Okay, like nums I index and nums j index, both values will be swapped. And again we are doing this like I plus equals to 2 so that we can check for further i's, and j plus also equals to 2 because so that we can check for further j values. And in the end we have written nums array. Okay, like this is how the code is working. So there is again 3 main conditions. If it's taken modulo with 2 giving 0, then it will be considered a even value and it will be placed at the even indexes of the array in this problem. And if nums j index value is giving, if it's taken modulo with 2, it's not giving 0, then we will put the odd values at the odd indexes of the array. And in the else case, if nums even value is not equals to, sorry, if nums I index value is not even, then we will swap it with nums j, because when it will not give the value 0 when taken modulo with 2, then it will be swapped, okay, with j, so that the correct value can go at the j's place, like so that the correct value can go at the right index for odd. And after that we are doing I plus equals to 2 and j plus equals to 2 so that we can check for further values of I and j here. Okay, and yeah, we are running the loop in a forward manner, like going from left to the right, like till the end of the array, from the starting to the end of the array in this manner. Remember that also. Like if I show you in this was something different. We were doing even values plus because we have to put the even values at the start and odd values at after it. Okay, in this indexing it was not said that even value should be at even index and odd value should be at odd index. In this, we just have to we were supposed to just put the even values at the front and odd values after them. Odd values will come after them. So that's why we started odd values, filling odd values from the very last of the array, and even values from the very first starting of the array in this problem. Okay, and if the condition is just changed, we just have to put even values at the event index and odd values at the odd index. Okay, just that, and in the end we are returning the nums array in this problem. That was all for this problem. Till then you can see this. Let me mark it done. So first new problem solve, and its name is what? Its name is sort array by parity. Sort array by parity second, like this. Okay, now maybe okay, now we will not take a break because we have come to the end of the stream, because the time you can see we are doing it from not a long time, but today I started a little bit late, that's why. So now what we will do, we will be okay, subscribers are also increasing. So now we will be summarizing the stream and ending the stream. We will be summarizing the stream and ending the stream. So what we have done in today's stream, we first let me refresh it and close all the other tabs. First we revisited this problem, okay, named as sort array by parity. It was an easy level problem that we revisited. Sorry, first we revisited this problem named as sort colors. This was the first problem that we revisited today, and its time complexity was equals to big of n. After that we did our second revisit of today's stream, that was on other coding platform named as Geeksforgeeks. We did this problem, okay, segregate zeros and ones, and it was a easy level problem, and the time complexity of this was equals to big of n. Okay, this was the second revisit that we have done today. After that I revisited the third problem of today, that was sort array by parity part 1. Okay, this was an easy level problem that we did revisited, and its time complexity was also equals to big of n. And the first problem we revisited, it was an medium level problem, and the next two problems that I revisited, like the second and third problem that I revisited, those problems were an easy level problem. Okay, after that I solved this new problem today, and it's an easy level problem named as sort array by parity second. Okay, so these problems are just like from a same family, like same kind of logic is used, just conditions change or some things are changed. Okay, and order of the things are changed. So that why we are doing this, so that we can understand the pattern, how the things are working, and how the two pointers things are working in this. Even if I haven't studied about two pointers in a detailed manner yet, but before it also I am doing this. Okay, that was all the things that we have done today. In total we revisited three problems. The first problem that we revisited was on LeetCode, the second problem that we revisited was on Geeksforgeeks, and the third problem that we revisited was again on LeetCode. Okay, after that I solved this new problem named as this. So in total we revisited three problems and tried new problem and solved it today. And that was all for today's stream. In total we revisited three problems and did one new problem today. Okay, and thanks all the viewers who came on the stream and like interacted with me. There were five people who came on my stream. First he came on my stream, like this was the name of the okay. Thank you VDverse official for coming to the stream, and we have interaction with each other in a very good manner. And yeah, after that this guy came and we have interaction with each other. Like we have a lot of interactions. After that this guy came. This was also a very hardcore guy. Just yeah, he's also a good guy, and yeah, what I would say, he's the third guy that came on the stream and we have interaction also. And yeah, because of the time was less, I was, what I was doing, I was stopping the people in between like interaction, because I was also supposed to finish the stream in the given time and complete revisits and do new problem. That's why I was stopping all of you in between, interactions. So sorry for that. And after that this guy came where and told me that he came after his friend, like this man is his friend, and yeah, he came to see what I'm doing. And yeah, and he also said that in the end, that he said that nice brother, and he's from that person, he's the friend of him. Yeah, and I think he also did subscribe to the channel, and today I think we got 4 new subscribers today, so that was a good thing. And yeah, some people also joined the Discord server. I think there are 3 new members that have joined the Discord server. Let me see. Today, okay, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so today, total 3 new people have joined the Discord server. Okay, so thanks you all for like subscribing to the channel and liking the stream and joining the Discord server. We are building a community here together so that everyone can grow together and learn together and help each other grow also. I think the community is getting a little bit bigger, so I will be adding a bot soon. I think I will have to add that soon. Okay, so that we can have track of people. And yeah, that was all for today's stream. If you learned something from this stream, please to like the stream, and yeah, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Only if you think that you learned something from the stream or gain some value from the stream, then you can consider to subscribe. I will not say that you should directly subscribe to me just because I'm saying to subscribe to you. Okay, when you feel that you have found something valuable from the stream or learned something, then you can consider to subscribe. And make sure to give reviews in the comment section also, like what you think, like what I can improve and what things I am doing in a right way, what new things I can bring on the YouTube, on the live streams, and yeah, what are the things that I am improving on, what you liked about me. There you can tell it in the comment section and also in the Discord if you want. And yeah, and you can consider subscribing only when you feel that you have learned something or have gained some value from the stream. Okay, and yeah, I will be soon starting that CSS series. I forgot to tell that I was just creating this thumbnail for that. I think I will be doing the first live stream of this maybe tomorrow. It can happen tomorrow. Okay, so that was all for today. So so make sure to like the stream and subscribe to the channel only if you feel that you learned something from this stream or gain some valuable information from this. Till yeah, then you can consider subscribing. Just don't directly subscribe to the channel. When you will feel that you have gained some valuable information or learning something, then you can subscribe. And make sure to give reviews in the comments also. So yeah, there were 20 views on the stream today. That was good. Like I think there were some random viewers and there were some returning viewers. That's why the number is that big, but it is like in a fluctuating manner. But it's okay. We got some new people on the stream today. So yeah, I think that there have like 3 people joined today in the Discord. So the number of people that have joined on Discord have now increased and from 5 to 8 today. Okay. Before starting the stream, it was 5. There were 5 people in the Discord server. Now the number of them have increased and the number of people in the Discord are now around 8. Around 8 people are in the Discord, including me also. And yeah, there also 4 new subscribers came today. I was having 8 subscribers before the stream, and now the subscribers have also also increased. So thank you for all for that support, and yeah, we will build a strong community here. So that was all for today's stream, guys. I think I should end the stream now. And uh, there is another thing also, that till then what you have to do, you have to keep learning and keep